A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you all? I hope you'll be fine in the best condition of health and iman. Welcome to Dar-e-Arqam School, Faisalabad region. First of all, students, raise your hand for dua. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani wa yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma. Ameen ya Rabbul Alameen. First of all, students, take your English book from your bag. Yes, good. And open the page number 20. Hurry up, students. Page number 20. English subject and lecture number is 16. Lecture number is 16 and subject is English. Open the book page number 20. And topic of this page is color. Colors. Yes, topic of this page is colors. Are you ready, student, for reading? Good, that's great. Let's start reading. Put your finger on your books. First color. Yes, red. Red. This color is red. Red. What the spell of red? R-E-D. Red. Red. And second is blue. Yes, blue. What the spell of blue? B-L-U-E. Blue. Yes, next, orange. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Orange. Students, repeat this line with me. Yes, good. First color is red. Good. That second, blue. Good. And third is orange. Red, blue, orange. Red, blue, orange. And put your finger on the second line. Yes. This color is parrot. No. Purple. No. Yes, green. This color is green. And what the spell of green? Yes, tell me, students, quickly. What the spell of green? G-R-E-E-N, green. G-R-E-E-N, green. And next color is yellow. Yellow. What the spell of yellow? Yes, good. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Yellow. Next, pink. Pink. What is the spell of pink? It's a very pretty color. Yes, pink. P-I-N-K. Pink. Pink. Students, repeat two lines with me. Yes, good. Red, blue, orange, green, yellow, pink. Green, yellow, pink. Now look at the below. Yes, this color is purple. Good. Purple. What the spell of purple? Pur. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. And last color is black. Black. What is the spell of black? B-L-A-C-K. Black. Students, I paste this pencil on white board. And what's the color of board? Yes. What is the color of board? Blackboard? No, it's a white board. And one color is also here. I write here white. What is the spell of white? W-H-I-T-E. White. Clear, students? Okay, repeat this page with me once again. Red, blue, orange, green, yellow, pink, purple, black, and what the color of this board? White. White. Students, there are many colors around us. Now tell me, what is your favorite color? Yes, good. Select this color. Blue, red, blue, orange, green, yellow, pink, purple, black, and white. Students, read out this page carefully. Now students, open your English workbook, page number 50. Yes, good. Workbook page number 50. Good. Quickly open it and take a pencil in your hand. Workbook page number 50. Yes, students. Now look at the board. What is it? Yes, good. Apple. Apple. So we complete the sentences here according to our topic. Clear, students? Yes, what is it? Apple. Okay. It is student, tell me, an or a? Yes, good. An. It is an apple. Good. Apple. Why we use here an? Because word apple start with the letter A and letter A is in vowels. Clear, students? Letter A is considered in vowels letter. And how many vowels letter? 5. A, E, I, O, U. So that's why I use here an. Now student, tell me, what's the color of apple? Yes, good. Red, good. Its color is red. Good. Shabash. Excellent. Okay. Apple. We complete the sentences according to pick. Yes, it is an apple and its color is red. Red. And second pick of balloon. No, it's not balloon. It's, yes, good. It is a kite. It is a kite. So I complete sentence here, or you complete sentence on your workbook. It is a kite. Yes. At the end of the sentence, we mark a full stop here. Yes, good. Now students, look on your workbook. Its color is Yes, its color is blue. Good. Its color is blue. Its color is blue. Good. And at the end we mark a full stop. Yes. Okay. Topic complete sentences. Students, repeat this line with me. The topic is complete sentences, and here is I draw a apple. Okay. Now we complete these line or these sentences. It is an apple. Its color is red. Its color is red. And second pick of kite. It is a kite. It is a kite. Its color is blue. Its color is blue. Yes, students, tell me what is it? Orange. Good. Orange. We make a sentence here. It is, yes, it, it is a orange or an orange? Yes, an orange. Yes, student, tell me what we write here. An. Yes, because word orange is start with letter O, and O is vowel letter, so we write here an orange, an orange. It is an orange, and its color is, yes, orange. Its color is also orange. Orange is a fruit and colors. Its color is orange. Yes, orange. Its color is orange. At the end we mark a full stop. Good. And next pick, what is it? Tree. Good. Tree. It is an tree or a tree? It is a tree. Student, tell me why we write here a. It is a tree. I write here letter A because word tree start with letter T, and T is consonant, not vowels. Clear, students? So that's why I use here A. It is a tree. And what the color of tree? Yes, green. Good, excellent. Its color is green. Yes, good. Its color is green. Its color is green. Good, students. Now repeat the sentences with me. What is it? Yes, orange. It is an orange. I write here and because word orange start with the letter O, and O is a vowel word. And its color is orange. It is a tree. It is a tree. Its color is green. Its color is green. Okay, students. Now tell me how many colors are in a rainbow? Yes, 1, 2, 3. Quickly tell me, how many colors are in rainbow? Yes, 7 colors. There are 7 colors in a rainbow. Clear, students? Okay, students, write this page with carefully and take yourself. Fi amanillah.